Hello, this is Mark Sabatella from Outside Shore Music, home of Mastering MuseScore. In this week's tip, I'm actually giving you two for the price of one. We have two new sets of options for styling of text lines. So we're going to look at how to apply style to the text itself and how to apply an arrowhead to the line. So first, let's add a line. I'll select a range here. The lines palette is not normally visible by default, but if you click Add Palettes and come down here, you'll see the lines palette that you can add to the list. And now I have my lines palette. And I'm going to add the one that says staff text line. This will apply it to just this staff. If it was multiple instruments, that would apply to just this staff. The one that says system would apply it at the top of the score, but it would apply to all parts also. So we're going to use the staff text line, and you see you get some text, and by default it has a hook at the end of it. Well, if I come over to the properties panel, we'll see, first of all, I can edit the text by changing it to something else. So I'll say something else, so that you can see that, yes, in fact, you can change the text. But what if we want to change the style of the text? That was something that was possible in MuseScore 3, but MuseScore 4 had not provided a way to do that. But what you'll see now is there is now options for the style of the text right here in the properties panel. So I can change it to, say, italics if I want, or make it smaller if I want, etc. Now let's take a look at the end of that line. If I click the Style tab here, you'll see the line end is set right now to a hook, but if I change it to arrow, I get an arrow. Let me actually zoom in so you can see it a little better. There's that arrow, or there's a filled arrow. And you'll also see that there are options for this. This here controls the height of that arrow, and then also the width of that arrow. So what you use these for, that's up to you, but it's a feature that's been requested for a long time, and now finally there's a nice simple way to add arrows to your text line as well as to format the text on them.